Alright, guys, so it's holiday season, and you know what that means? It means it's sick season. So, I want to share with you the proper way to respond when someone sneezes. A lot of people think that you say, God bless you, but that's wrong because, not everyone's religious. Other people say Gesundheit, which is German, which you shouldn't say at all because, again, that's German. It reminds people of Nazis, and that's not good. The one and only proper way to respond when someone sneezes is shut the fuck up! Shut up!